So guys, as you know, on this channel, we speak a lot about how you can use AI tools when it comes to helping you start up various different side hustles. But in today's video, what I want to do is showcase, maybe 4 or 5 different ways that you can use the Google AI Studio to help you when it comes to building up a one-person online business. And in today's video, I'm going to be focusing mainly on those of you that want to sell a digital product. And for those of you that's never heard of the Google AI Studio before, it's very similar to ChatGPT, but of course, it's been built by the #1 search engine in the entire world, and they've made some improvements to it when it comes to some unique ways that you can use it when it comes to building up digital products for completely free. This video is definitely going to be interesting because some of these different methods definitely blew my mind when it came to the capabilities of the Google AI Studio, so just make sure you stick around. But let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into one of the first ways that you can use it, which is simply to come up with a structured plan as to how you're going to sell your digital product in the first place. And the way that you can do that is by using this quiz that I made myself. I'm going to leave it linked down below. Don't worry, it's free to use. Some of you that's watched this channel before have probably seen it, but I've made some improvements to it. And the way that it works is that it's going to take you through a couple questions. At the end of it, you're going to be given a prompt that you can copy and paste directly into the Google AI Studio. So we're going to quickly do this right now, and I'm just going to show you exactly how it works. Question 1 is, what type of digital product are you most interested in creating? So you've got all of these different options to choose from: digital planner, spreadsheet, journal, video course, Notion template. The one that I'm going to go with in today's video is going to be ebook. Question 2 is, what is your skill level when it comes to selling digital products? Now, I'm someone that's been building and selling digital products for the past 7 years. So I would say that I'm quite advanced, but of course, if you're a beginner, you're going to select this one. So I'm going to select it for the sake of this video. Question 3 is, why do you want to sell a digital product? I'm going to say that I want to, of course, generate income. Question 4 is, what type of niche do you have knowledge in? Since the video that I'm making right now is all about AI, the one that I'm going to go with is going to be artificial intelligence. So we're going to build a digital product around this category. Let me just click on next. Question 5 is, how do you want to sell your digital product? I'm going to say that I want to sell it using my own website. And question 6 is, what color scheme or style do you want for your digital product? For me, I want it to be professional and clean, so let's go with this one. And the final question is, how do you plan to promote it? So we're going to go with SEO blog articles today and then click on submit. Okay, perfect. So as we can see, I've now got this detailed prompt that I'm going to be able to copy just like that. It's going to have all of my answers already integrated directly into it. So all I need to do is go back over to the Google AI Studio and then basically just paste everything in there and then click on run. And there we go, right before our very eyes. As you guys can see, it's giving me a detailed business plan, when it comes to building this out, everything that's going to help me when it comes to running it in the most effective way as a complete beginner. When it comes to the pricing, when it comes to the product I should sell, when it comes to how I should structure it, a step-by-step checklist. So this is definitely going to be beneficial to anyone out there that's confused on, what they're doing and how they need to do it. But now that you know how Google AI Studio can help you with a custom side hustle or one-person business plan, this now brings me on to one of the practical ways that it's going to be able to help you when it comes to actually building a digital product. And this is where the video gets really interesting, because if I just come over here, it's going to give me, different types of product ideas when it comes to being able to, sell a digital product within the AI space. And what I'm going to be able to do is get the prompt from the business plan, just paste it in here just like this. And from here, what I'm going to be able to do is, double check it, make sure that I'm happy with everything, and then click on run. And again, right there, as you guys can see, it's already started processing the code for the ebook. Don't worry, I know it might look a little bit complicated, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn this into a sellable digital asset as soon as it's done. And there we go. This is the entire HTML code for the ebook. And all you need to do from this point is just click on copy to clipboard, then go over to this website over here. It's called html.onlineviewer. You're just going to paste the code in there just like that. And as you can see, it's now come back with a fully written ebook with all of the chapters and everything that's necessary for the reader to get all the value that they need. This is something that's definitely surprised me because I didn't know that the Google AI Studio could do this. You know, most people are paying freelancers to make ebooks, but nowadays you're able to use a free tool that's accessible to anyone when it comes to building out a structured ebook that you can now sell on the internet to people that want to buy it. The main thing that you need to do, of course, is go through it, make sure that you're happy with it. You're going to need to export it as a PDF. And once you've done that, you're going to be able to list it for sale using your own website. To build your own website when it comes to listing all of these different digital products that you're able to build with the help of AI is going to be with Hostinger. And the main reason why I recommend it is because it comes with 0% transaction fees. Every single time that you make a sale, you're not going to have to pay any fees. And you're also able to build your landing page, your storefront, your website with the help of a single prompt. So for those of you that haven't seen this process yet, I'm just going to quickly walk you through it. You just need to click on Start Now, then click on Choose Plan. And once you've created your account, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where all you need to do is enter your brand name and a description. Now, for those of you that's been watching my channel for any amount of time, you already know that you can go back to the plan that you got from the Google AI Studio, because within the plan, it's going to give you everything that's necessary. So if I just come over here to the brand name, I'm just going to pick this one that's called AI Simplified. I'm just going to copy it, just going to paste it in there like that. And then over here, I'm going to be able to get the prompt for Hostinger. So I'm just going to copy that. And I'm just going to paste it into this section. You're then going to be able to make any changes that you need to make to it. But once you've read through it, you've adjusted it in whatever way that you want. You're then going to be able to click on create a website. And there we go. The website has now been built. You know, this is what it looks like. This is what the homepage looks like. This is what the shop page looks like, where all of the different ebooks are going to go. It's also got the blog page over here, so that whenever you're uploading a new blog article, it's going to be populated right here. And, you know, it goes without saying, I've said this so many times, that if you want to make any changes to the website, you're going to be able to do anything that you need to do. If you want to move the text around, you could do that. If you want to change a particular image, you're going to be able to do that as well. And just general things when it comes to updating your store. So if I just click on settings over here, if I just want to update, let's say, the currency, I'm going to be able to make any adjustments in the back end just like this. And when it comes to adding a new product, e.g. the ebook that you might have built using the Google AI Studio, it's going to be in the section where you're going to be able to do it. So if I just click on add products and come over here to digital products, the easiest way for you to list a digital product for sale using Hostinger is going to be by using the actual cover image, because from that it's going to be able to get the title, the description, without you having to fill out all of the details. And this now brings me on to another interesting way that you can use Google AI Studio or Gemini when it comes to helping you run various different side hustles, which is going to be with image generation. Because if I wanted to make an ebook cover for the one that I just made, I'm going to be able to go over to Google Gemini, type in this prompt and click on image. You can pause the screen right now, take a look at exactly what I'm saying when it comes to the text, when it comes to the font, when it comes to how I want the color scheme to be. So you can put in all these details and Gemini is going to be able to do somewhat of a decent job. So I'm going to leave it how it is, basic prompt, and then click on submit. And it shouldn't take more than 10 seconds because as you can see, it's already generating the image right now. And there we go. It was able to come back with, I would say, a decent ebook to use. Of course, if you want to get a more advanced one, you can go onto Canva, you can maybe put another prompt, keep going, ask it for a different one until you're happy. But I'm happy with this one for the sake of this video. So I'm just going to click on download, and then I'm just going to come back over to Hostinger for me to start listing this ebook. So I'm just going to select the image just like that. And as you just saw, Hostinger was able to get the title of the ebook, you know, the subtitle, the description. You know, I'm going to be able to now enter the price. Maybe I want to sell it for $9.99, maybe $19. It's completely up to you how you want to price it. And it's going to be in this section over here where you need to drag and drop the PDF version of the ebook that you got from the Google AI Studio, so that whenever someone buys it, Hostinger is going to automatically email them the link to download it. But this now brings me on to another interesting way that you guys can use the Google AI Studio that I haven't seen anyone else else on the internet talking about, and it's going to be able to help you whether you want to sell it, whether you want to use it as a way to get people onto your website to see your other products, which is basically to use the Google AI Studio to help you build an interactive digital toolkit. And that might sound a little bit confusing, but I'm going to show you exactly what I mean right now. So we're just going to enter this prompt once again. And with this prompt, all I'm doing is telling it to make a simplistic software that people are going to be able to use on my website that's going to be built with a basic code. And the purpose of this web application is to build up interest, get people onto the website and just ultimately get more traffic. So stick with me, because once I'm done with showing you exactly what it's able to do, you're going to be completely blown away. So I'm going to leave it how it is in terms of the prompt, and I'm going to click on run. And straight away, as you guys can see, once again, it's already gone to work to start building out this code. So it's going to take a few minutes, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes for it to complete what it's doing. And I'm going to be back ASAP once it's finished. Okay, that didn't take long at all. It took about 54 seconds, as you can see right there. So you're going to have to do the same thing once again. Just copy it to the clipboard, come back over to this side, and you're going to be able to view it by pasting it in there just like that. So if I just make it full screen, this is what the AI prompt generator looks like. You can make whatever type of digital planner, any type of digital calendar, whatever you want to make, you're going to be able to do it. And the reason why I went with an AI prompt generator is because obviously the site that I built is all about helping people with AI. So what I'm going to be able to do now is add a page to this website. So if I just go back over to the editor, I'm going to click on pages, and what I'm going to do is click on add page. I'm going to make it an empty page for now, and I'm going to call it the AI prompt generator. Okay, perfect. So just like that. And what I'm now going to do is add an element. I'm just going to get the embedded code, and then I'm just going to paste the code that I got from the Google AI Studio in here just like this, and stretch it out so that it fits the full page. And there we go, guys. I've been able to add it to the website. I've got the blog page over here, the shop page with all of the different ebooks and digital products I'm going to be selling. And the good thing about this is that I'm going to be able to promote it on social media for people that don't really know how to generate their own prompts. So again, this is just a useful way of being able to get people onto the site. And just to kind of give you some insight into how this works, let's say if I wanted to make a prompt because I wanted Google AI Studio to write a blog article for me, I'm going to be able to use it just like this. So I'm going to say, I want a blog article to promote my new ebook called AI for Beginners. So I'm just going to put that. The goal is to write new content. Content type is going to be blog post and article. Industry is technology. Audience is the general public. Platform is website. I want it to be professional. The length, I want it to be long. The structure, I want it to have paragraphs. And I want the call to action to be to learn more. So imagine, guys, everything you just saw me do, all of these different drop down menus, everything was done with the help of the Google AI Studio. So the person is now going to be given this live prompt that they're going to be able to copy. And with this prompt, they're going to be able to go anywhere, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, wherever they want to go. But of course, I'm going to focus on Google AI Studio for now. So I'm just going to paste what the AI generator gave me and then click on run. And there we go. It's now produced a fully written article that I'm going to be able to copy and paste onto my website. Of course, I'm going to make changes to it, but I just wanted to show you guys how powerful the AI Studio is when it came to the fact that it was able to build an actual AI prompt maker. But yeah, for the most part, I would say that those are some of the most mind-blowing things that I've learned about the Google AI Studio recently. And I've already started implementing many of these with the different online stores and businesses that I'm running myself. So if you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything, you got any sort of value, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. And I've got many more videos coming out over the next couple days, over the next few weeks, when it comes to ways that you're able to use AI tools like the Google AI Studio to help you earn an extra source of income online. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where I break down some of the best AI side hustles that you can start if you're someone that has a low budget, you're going to be able to check that out by clicking the link right there. Watch that straight after this because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it can help you out too. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.